Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by verifying access and opening the design you'll modify. Choose an empty frame or use the Apps menu and pick Embed. This is the only path within Canva to add live HTML content. Copy the external contents embed code or a supported share link because you need that exact snippet. Once done, paste into Canva's embed field. This direct approach lets you maintain live updates from the source and keeps your canvas interactive without manual image imports. After pasting the iframe or supported URL, click Embed to render the content in your design. You'll see a live frame, resize it by dragging handles, and use Canva's position and alignment tools to snap to 16:9 or custom aspect ratios. Group or lock the embedded frame so you don't move it while editing other elements. Make sure to test interactivity in preview mode. This confirms links and widgets behave correctly before you proceed to final export or sharing. To finish, preview your design and confirm the embed behaves as expected. Use share link or present to deliver a live experience. Remember that PDF or static export will not preserve embedded interactivity, so share the Canva link for live content. If the embed fails to load, troubleshoot by checking the source's permissions, CORS rules, and that you used a supported embed format or share URL. If you still face issues, recopy the code and ensure no extra whitespace or blocked scripts are present.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.